Hey everybody, welcome back. Got a little different video today. We're just putting in some road miles, going after some parts for old Yeti. We come across some seats on Marketplace and gonna go chase them down and hopefully get something better than what we had anyways. So just putting in a little windshield time today and catch back up in a minute. Here's the new seats, guys. That's the back of the front one, or of the, my bad, driver's seat. You can see the bottom cushion. The cushion's actually not in bad shape, but the cover is a little torn. I think we can sew that up or something in there, and the plan is to put seat covers on them anyways, so that's not going to really hurt anything. Passenger side, very dirty, but very usable, good shape. You know, the foam's in good shape, everything. But let me show you real quick. That's what we're replacing. So, big time upgrade. Can't even get the seat back foam for what I've given for those. So, I think we got a fair deal. Not too bad. So, just wanted to show you guys and give you a little update of what we're doing. You know, we're keep plugging away and making progress, and that's all you can do is just keep moving forward. You know, we had some other things come up, so we didn't get as far this weekend as we were hoping to, but here we are. We're getting after it again today and keep making forward steps. So I suggest you do the same and like and subscribe. Go find a project, get dirty.